Okay, dear students, so hello, let's all start with the chapter The Fight of the book It So Happened, Class 8 NCERT. So, we will see here the question and answers with the detailed meanings. So, stay tuned for the question and answers of the chapter The Fight. Okay, students, so here we are now, page number 49, question number 1. It is asking, in what way is the forest pool different from the one which Ranji knew in the Rajputana desert? Okay, here the spelling is Ranji N. Okay, so the answer is the forest pool was very clean, cold, and inviting, whereas the one in the Rajputana desert was known to be sticky and muddy, where buffaloes wallowed and women washed clothes in the pool. So, students, you got the difference between the two pools. The first pool in the forest, it was cold, serene, clean, and inviting. Like anybody see the pool, that person's mind might become to just go and have a shower in that pool. And whereas in the other side, that Rajputana desert, in there, that pool was so sticky and muddy. So, the story in the story that Ranji was got attracted with the pool in the forest. Okay, students. Question number 2. The other boy asked Ranji to explain himself. So it has two questions. Okay, students. The first question is, what did he expect Ranji to say? Okay, here also the spelling got mistaken. You just write Ranji, Ranji. Okay, and the answer is, he expected Ranji to apologize and leave the pool. Okay, students, so this is the scenery when the other boy, the stranger, and Ranji were together at the site of the pool, and the boy, that the stranger boy was expecting that Ranji will apologize and leave the pool. Okay, now question number 2 of question number 2 only asking, was he, in your opinion, right or wrong to ask this question? So answer, you have to tell your opinion that whether that stranger boy was right or wrong. So the answer is, in my opinion, it was wrong of the boy to ask Ranji why he had entered in his pool without permission, because pool was in the forest and it was not his property. Okay, students, I hope this is also your opinion too, that the boy's thinking was wrong, since the pool was is not his property. Okay, that pool was in the forest, that was for all villagers. Okay, now question number 3 asking, between Ranji and the other boy who is trying to start a quarrel, give a reason for your answer. Okay, students, so between Ranji and the boy who is trying to start the quarrel, let's see. Answer is, it is the other boy who is trying to start the quarrel. He is bully and presume that he is the owner of the pool. So students, remember the story that at first Ranji was looked into the boy and he was in a friendly manner to be friend with that person, the stranger. But the stranger was behaving like he was the owner of the pool and he was bully. Okay, so the stranger started the fight first. Okay, now question number 4. Then we will have to continue the fight, said the other. So in this question number 4, we have two questions. Question number 1 is, what made him say that? Okay, so the answer is, when even after a lot of fighting, Ranji refused to leave the pool, the other boy said that they would have to continue their fight. Okay, students, so scene was that the boy was saying this is my pool and Ranji was saying that this is my pool. Thus, this is the reason that both were started quarreling. Okay, now the second question of same question number 4. Okay, this is, did the fight continue? If not, why not? So the answer is no, the fight did not continue as both of them were tired after the fight. After that they decided to continue the fight on the next day. Okay, students, since although that they were saying that they are fighter and warrior, but they are teenagers only, right? So after that fight they all also start feeling tired, so they decided to fight on the next day. Okay, students, so here we are now, page number 53, comprehension check. The first question, what is it that Ranji finds difficult to explain at home. So the answer is it was difficult for Ranji to explain the cuts and bruises which he had because of fighting with the boy. Anybody of Ranji's age will try to hide fights with his parents. Okay, students, so just imagine yourself in place of Ranji. Okay, like if you had some fight with some stranger boy, then you must be feeling like hiding this cuts and bruises in your body. Similarly, Ranji was doing this because he was afraid of his parents and afraid of his parents scolding. Okay, students. Okay, so now we are in first question of question number 2. Ranji sees his adversary in the bazaar. What does he wish to do? So the answer is when Ranji saw his adversary in the bazaar, he wished to turn away and look elsewhere. Then he wished to throw the lemonade bottle at his enemy. Okay, students, remember the scene when Ranji was enjoying the lemonade and the jalebi, then he saw his adversary. Then the thought came into his mind is like fighting, but he cannot fight in the bazaar in front of so many people. Then again, the second thought came into his mind is to throw the lemonade bottle at his enemy, but he didn't did this also. Okay. So here is the second question. What does he actually do and why? So the answer is he actually stood his ground and scolded at the other boy. He did not throw the lemonade bottle because he did not want to start a fight in the bazaar. Okay, students, you got the answers that they just scold at each other, the boy and the Ranji also. Okay, since they did not want to start fight in the bazaar in front of so many people, they did not want to continue the fight. Okay. Question number 3. Ranji is not at all eager for a second fight. Why does he go back to the pool then? So the answer is Ranji was not eager for a second fight, but he still went back to the pool because if he had not turned up, it would have been an acknowledgement of his defeat and he could not quietly accept his defeat. So students, you got the answer that if Ranji would not go, then there is acknowledgement of his defeat, and Ranji didn't want this. So instead of feeling weak and lazy, he went for the second fight. Question number 4. Who was the better swimmer? How do you know it? Answer is Ranji was the better swimmer. When the other boy made fun of him by saying that he would not be able to swim across the pool, Ranji dived straight into the water and surfaced at the other end in a flash. This shows that Ranji was a better swimmer. Okay, students, so you got the answer that Ranji just showed that another boy, that stranger boy, by showing his swimming skill in the pool. Okay. Question number 5. What surprises the warrior? Answer is Ranji's diving and swimming underwater surprised the warrior. Okay, students, it is very clear, yeah? Question number 6. Now that they are at the pool, why don't they continue for the fight? Answer is now that they are at the pool, they don't continue the fight because there is a bond of love and friendship between them. So they forgot their enmity. Okay, students, so here you got the answer. Like remember the scenery when the warrior boy said that Ranji that you teach me swimming and I will teach you the wrestling. So after that fight, they concluded into the beautiful friendship. So with this friendship, they did not continue with the fight. Okay. Question number 7. Ranji's superiority over the other boy is obvious in the following. Physical strength, good diving, he's being a fighter. Okay, strength, there are some of the phrases are given here. So you have to just choose the lines that is the quality for the Ranji's superiority. So their answer is good diving, swimming underwater and willingness to help. These are the qualities with which Ranji's got superior from that warrior. Okay, so question number 8. What according to you makes the two adversaries turn into good friends in a matter of minutes? Explain it as you have understood it. Okay, students, so if you can write by your own self, then you write by your own self. Otherwise, I am telling here. Ranji's willingness to help the other boy made their friendship possible. Noticing Ranji's thin body, the other boy promised him that he would turn him into a wrestler like himself. As a result, in a matter of minutes, the adversaries turned into the good friends. Okay, students, you got the answer here. This was the Ranji's willingness to help that made both the two adversaries a friend, and they forgot their enmity. The boy said that I will make you a wrestler like me, and the Ranji said that I will make you a good swimmer like me. Okay, students, like this, we also do not fight with people unnecessary. We just have to see that on which way we can resolve the conflict. Okay, yeah, and this all we can do through a peaceful and calm state of mind only. And the calm state of mind we can go get through yoga and meditations. Okay, students? Okay, stay safe and happy. Bye bye. Okay, students, so I have shared all the question and answers with a detailed explanation in this video. So you all just write it in your fair notebook cleanly, neatly, and learn the question and answers. Okay, students, all the very best for your studies. Take care, stay happy.